Having trouble getting DoorDash notifications? You're not alone. Many users experience missed alerts for order updates or promotions. The most common causes are device-level restrictions like focus mode, especially on iOS, incorrect app permissions, and aggressive battery optimization. As of October 2025, DoorDash has tried to improve notification handling with app updates, but device settings often override these improvements. First, make sure you have the latest version of the DoorDash app from the App Store or Google Play. Next, open the DoorDash app and go to Settings, Notifications, and ensure all toggles are on. If you're an iOS user, check your focus modes in Settings, Focus. Make sure DoorDash is allowed to send notifications in each mode. Android users should check Settings Apps, DoorDash notifications, and set them to all. Also, disable any battery restrictions for DoorDash in your phone's settings to ensure it can run in the background. Restart your device or clear the app cache if issues persist. If all else fails, try reinstalling the app. According to DoorDash's CTO, 80% of notification issues can be resolved with these simple settings tweaks.